Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
It's Jessica here, and I'm thrilled to be taking you on a walking tour of the romantic beaches of Buzios in Brazil. Get ready to experience the sun, sand, and crystal clear waters of one of the most beautiful beach destinations in the world. Before we start, please make sure to click the like button to show your support for this video. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to write a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
As we continue our tour, we head to the calm and serene João Fernandes Beach. The water here is crystal clear and perfect for snorkeling, so be sure to bring your gear. There are plenty of rocks and coral reefs to explore, and you'll see plenty of colorful fish swimming around. We then make our way to the popular Azeda Beach, which is only accessible by foot. The beach is surrounded by stunning rock formations and crystal clear water. The scenery here is breathtaking, and it's no wonder why it's one of the most visited beaches in Buzios. Finally, we end our tour at the stunning Praia da Tartaruga Beach. The beach is known for its calm waters and soft sand, making it perfect for relaxation. Take a walk along the beach, listen to the sound of the waves crashing, and soak up the sun. That concludes our walking tour of the romantic beaches of Buzios, Brazil. I hope you enjoyed the tour and got a sense of the beauty of this incredible destination. Don't forget to click the like button, write a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!